In the next video series lineup of Rollercoin, today I'll be discussing some of the most recent changes that have happened in Rollercoin that you might not have noticed, but these changes do allow you to free up some of your time as well and complete tasks faster. Stay tuned. Okay, so Rollercoin do make significant changes to the game over time, and they have made some significant changes recently as well when it comes to tasks and how many of those you need to complete in a day for those of you that have not noticed. So today I'm going to be discussing some of those changes as well for your information in case you did not notice that or you don't know. But this will be more appealing for other players as well, because you might be more enticed to play the game because you're not going to use as much time as you thought you would need to complete all the quests. So right here on my screen on Rollercoin, you can see my room right there, and I'm going to go to the daily tasks to kick this off. So more quests here, and you can see that previously there were a lot of changes here when it comes to winning games, okay? Now all you need to do is win 10 games, okay? These change daily. It's not going to be Lambo Rider and Coin Flip every day, okay? But these change each time. So 10 games in Lambo Rider, 10 games in Coin Flip. I've already done 1 and 1, okay? That will literally take you maybe 10 minutes to complete, but 10 minutes, obviously there are the cooldown periods in between, but while you're waiting for the cooldown of those games, you can play other games in order to hit the win 20 games and the win 50 games as well, okay? So those are quite easy to achieve. Now before, if you didn't notice, these were much higher. I actually remember win 80 games in a day, then it went down to win 70 games. Now it's down to win 50 games in a whole day. Now to win 50 games in a whole day, if you play these non-stop, I'm not taking into consideration the cooldown period, okay? It will take you roughly 35 minutes, I would say, if you go back to back. Check out my videos on how to play the game faster, how to play Rollercoin faster, because that will definitely help you make the most of your time, okay? People are very busy nowadays. They don't have time to play the games, like I've mentioned in the other video when playing games faster. So be sure to check out that video so you can finish those games faster as well. It's the same thing for the weekly task. So if you go to the weekly tab, that has also been done in proportion as well. So you don't need to, for example, win 250 games anymore. It's just 100 games. So you can do that easily, very easily, by just doing the 50. So within 2 days you will achieve this as well. You're getting all RST tokens when you're completing these quests. In some cases there are also RLT if you manage to do the other task, and also the battery. So if you complete one task, you'll be able to get one battery as well. But the point of this video is just to highlight here that Rollercoin have made some improvements, in my opinion, when it comes to playing games and when it comes to actually maximizing your free time, okay? So you don't have to spend all those hours playing Rollercoin all day. You can literally do it first thing in the morning or after work, and you will easily achieve these quests. So in my opinion, I think this is a really big benefit, and thank you Rollercoin for this, because it really does help a lot to maximize our time as well. Okay, you've got a total of win 250 games in the entire week, which is easily achievable as well. I mean, even if you've got like 20 minutes to spare a day, you'll be able to do that. Even 10 minutes a day, okay, you'll be able to achieve these, okay? Just be sure, again, to check out the videos on how to play games faster on my channel, because that will also help you to maximize the time. I know I'm repeating that a lot, but it's very important for you to check out the other videos as well, so that you get to know what you need to do in order to be able to make the most of the quest, the most of your time, and be able to complete these faster as well, okay? That's all I wanted to tell you today. I hope that you found the video useful, and if you didn't know this information, now you do. If you were maybe put off in the past from playing Rollercoin, then don't be, because you're not going to really spend that much time to be able to complete the quests. I know that it was quite rough a few months ago. You'd need to complete 80 games a day, but now it's not the case. You need to do 50, okay? And you can do that quite easily as well. If you're new to Rollercoin, be sure to click the link in my description below. That is my referral link, and you will be getting 1000 Satoshi instantly to get you started as soon as you register. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below and smash the like button. Hit the notification bell to be notified about new videos that come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.